All right. So this is the work. If you know what we understand by two-dimensional, three-dimensional figures, if you know what they mean. So this is what we have. You can see one-dimensional figures, two-dimensional figures, and three-dimensional figures. What is the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes? This is what you want to write down. But it's actually on the screen, so I have zoomed out. Then I will share it in the group. It's a PDF, so you can note down from there. That will be clear. In case there is any word you can't like figure out कि क्या लिखा है, then you can just ask me. All right. And just a moment. Give me 1 minute. You are continuously writing down. Just wait. All right. I'm just going to play some videos here. Let me check if I am sharing the sound. Okay. So this here shows you what is the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes.
Oh, hey kids, it's Mr. B and Banjo Bob.
Hey kids!
We're gonna learn about shapes. You know, there's so many different kinds of shapes. There's 2D shapes and there's 3D shapes.
Well, Mr. B, how do you tell the difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape?
That's a great question, Bob. 2D means two-dimensional. Can you try saying that? Two-dimensional.
Two-dimensional.
Very good, Bob.
Thank you.
Two-dimensional means the shape goes two ways. Take a look at this square. It goes two ways. It goes side to side, and it goes up and down. One way, two ways. This shape is two-dimensional.
Wow.
Now a 3D shape goes three ways. It also goes side to side. It goes down and up. And it also goes from back to front. Back to front. Did you catch that, Bob?
Yeah.
A 3D shape goes side to side,
Oh.
up and down,
Oh.
and back to front.
Wow.
Another way to test if a shape is 2D or 3D is to see if it's flat. Because if it's flat, it's a 2D shape. Let's try the circle first. Turn it over. Take a good look. That looks pretty flat to me. A circle must be a 2D shape. Now let's try the sphere. Rotate it over. This sphere is still pretty puffy and full. It must be a 3D shape. We can further experiment with the flatness of a shape by doing the clapping test. Are you ready for that, Bob?
You bet.
Remember, if the shape is flat, it's a 2D shape, and you should still be able to clap. Now let's try the 3D shape. Oh no, the 3D shape is too puffy. It sticks out too much. I can't clap. Sorry, Bob. The music's over.
Oh.
If you're still not sure if a shape is 2D or 3D, there is one more way to test. But leave this one to me, because it's kind of dangerous, all right? It's called the sit test. Here's what's going to happen. Bob's going to put a shape behind me, and I'm going to sit down. If it's a 3D shape, I should be able to sit, because 3D shapes are full and they stick out. But if it's a 2D shape, I might be in some trouble. Are you ready, Bob? Give me the first shape.
Okay, Mr. B. Here comes a sphere.
Oh, wow. A sphere must be a 3D shape. It sticks out three ways and keeps me off the ground. Thanks, Bob.
Good job, Mr. B. How about another one?
Yep, Bob, I'm ready. Give me the next shape.
Okay, Mr. B. How about a rectangular prism?
whoa, rectangular prism must be a 3D shape because it kept me off the ground, Bob.
That's crazy.
It goes side to side, front to back, and up and down to keep me from falling.
Pretty cool, guys. Okay, Mr. B, time for the last shape.
I'm ready when you are, Bob. Give me the last shape.
Okay, kids, let's try a triangle. Oh no! That definitely wasn't a 3D shape, Mr. B.
You're right, Bob. This was definitely a 2D shape. It only goes two ways, this way and this way, but it didn't come up, so I couldn't sit on it and I fell to the ground. It's so flat, I went down fast, Bob. I think I'm done with shapes for today.
Well, how about I play your favorite song and make you feel better?
That'd be great, Bob. Thanks.
Okay.
I do feel better. And I did have fun today, and I hope you did too. Now it's your turn to find some shapes and learn something. All right, boys and girls, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
मैम अगर ये ट्रायंगल तीनों साइड से कवर्ड होता है फिर ये बैठता है तो इसको लग जानी थी
Yes, but the triangle will not stand. It will just fall down on the ground. It will be flat. That's why.
If
So-
it be, ma'am, if it be a triangular prism, that will be.
Yes, triangular, yes, of course. But if it were placed in a different way, obviously it's risky. That's why he said it's dangerous. Don't try it at home. All right. So I'll just share a couple of videos alongside this one. You can watch and understand what's the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. And there is one topic which we will be doing in the exercise. I can see you have raised your hands. I'll be taking up your doubts tomorrow. All your questions we will be discussing. All right. That will be all for today. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, beta.